Hey Hoopers, Carrie here from Current Motion Hoops. Today I'm going to share with you a movement called the ladder hinge. This is a really basic beginner movement, but is really handy for transitioning the hoop off body to on body, and also can lend to a really nifty pickup of your hoop if it should happen to fall. So what we want to do is start with any size hoop. Right now I'm using an adult beginner hoop in a size 38, I believe. And with this, I'm going to have my hand at the 3 o'clock and the 9 o'clock. Doing a quarter turn, so one hand becomes the top and one hand becomes the bottom. I open up the top hand and push the hoop forward, letting it fall down. Be mindful of your ankles or your shins as the hoop falls. You can squeeze your hand on the hoop to slow the momentum of the fall. Now that it's fallen down here, my free hand is going to grasp the bottom, palm facing down. My top hand again will push forward, and then I grab the bottom palm down. So this movement is much like a ladder. You're climbing down the ladder without legs, just using your arms. So the movement is linear, frontwards, up and down. Now we can build upon this with something called the jump through. When the hoop falls, you can let yourself skip right through your hoop. With this, if you happen to give it a try and it only got to about that point, you can introduce another hand to help you bring it over, and then dividing so as it comes down to the bottom and you're back into the ladder hinge. Alternatively, when it falls, you can jump through it twice. This will give you an idea of how your hand needs to loosen on the hoop, giving you that nice smooth momentum, and also gives your brain kind of a different pathway to get there. Sometimes we kind of obsess over one portion, but really if we just change up the task, it becomes a lot easier and suddenly makes sense. So again, holding onto the top, letting it fall down. I wait for my dominant hand to be at the bottom, either one can work. Letting it fall, skipping through, and catching the bottom. It's best to catch the bottom and be patient, because try and catch it here, it's going to be falling away from you, and you're never going to quite catch hold. So instead, wait till your hand is at the top again, and then grabbing it with the bottom. The other thing that this move is really great for is, say if your hula hoop has fallen to the ground and you need to pick it up. If you grasp the side closest to you and just simply lift, you can capture the bottom of the hoop with your hand again and going right into the ladder hinge. From there you can do a jump in and through it, or you can simply just jump inside and you can do some waist hula hooping. Now holding my hoop here like this takes a lot of hand strength, but as a quick movement you can either brace it with your other hand to give it a push, or simply turn the same direction your hula hoop would be going around your waist. So that little turn helps to keep the hoop more level and transfer onto your body nice and smoothly. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and feel free to subscribe. I'll have more videos coming out soon. Thanks so much, and happy hooping!